Step how to do eyelash extension. Advise the customer to arrive without makeup, mascara or oil-based lotion around the eye area. Use an oil-free eye makeup remover to cleanse off makeup and oil on the lashes. Consider the length and the strength of the client's lashes have to be considered before choosing the weight and length of the new lash extensions. Perfect eyelash extensions should be matched as close as possible to the thickness of the natural lash. And most customers like to enjoy a full set of lashes where between 70 to 100 lashes are applied to each eye. If you have a half set, depends on the age of the client as well, and obviously the volume of lashes they have. A half set would be 30 to 50. So our model today, we're going to do between 30 to 50 lashes, taking into consideration how many lashes she has got, and natural lashes. If you follow the step-by-step method, you will master the eyelash extension. To make it easy without any doubt, with captions on most of the slides so you can read them. Always comb the lashes so that they're separated. The lash extension should rest completely connected with the natural lash. Apply it and let go. Work from one eye to the other, allowing the adhesive to dry. You have to clean both pairs of tweezers on a regular basis because it does clog up with the adhesive. And you can use the air blower that is part of your what you will need, because the adhesive is temperature sensitive and fairly quick drying. Continue working, filling the lashes and the natural lashes, obviously. Now as you can see, this particular client, she hasn't got that many lashes on the outer corner of her eye, so what we try to do is apply, I think she had about 3 lashes, so we just applied it on 3 lashes so it gives a bit of a volume on the corners. And after, I just remove the eye pads and remove the eye gel and just use the fingers to gently open their eyes while checking that none of the upper lashes have bonded with any lower lashes. And you're done. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your comments are welcome. And if you have any particular videos that you want to do, please let us know.